It is time now for our daily dish. Mom in the Know, Julie Finley, has a great weeknight dinner.
Good morning, I'm Julie Finley, and today I'm in the kitchen making a dinner that's less than 30 minutes. It is rainbow trout with prosciutto, mushroom, and spinach. So I've got my heated 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm gonna put in 1 small onion and mushrooms, and I've actually chopped the button mushrooms up quite finely as I did the onions. So you could do this ahead, but it takes no time to cut it. Medium-high heat. I'm actually going to let this sit for about 5 minutes until they soften. And while I mix that around, I just want to give you a few tips. What I've done beforehand is I've actually taken my prosciutto ham and I've crisped it up. So this is prosciutto ham. You can find it local in your grocery stores, and you can make sure it's in your fridge at all times. It's a great versatile ingredient. You could wrap it in fruit. You can cook it nice and crispy. You can have it all the time, add it to your salads, add it to your veggies, nice, salty, lovely taste. So I've already done that, and I'm gonna keep these going a little bit. So the one thing, just stir it from time to time, but of course put on a timer for about 5 minutes. I've also turned the oven on to 450. I've chosen rainbow trout because it's a quick, fast, easy fish. So you can find Ontario rainbow trout in your grocery stores. Ask your fish by the fish counter. They will help you out. They're very good about telling you what's fresh, what's in season, and all of that. So I'm going to keep that growing. And I want to give you a few tips about mushrooms. So mushrooms, there's so many varieties. What I've used today is a button mushroom. I don't wash them until I'm using them. And what you're going to do is you're just going to take a nice wet cloth and you're going to just rub the mushroom cap, because you don't want to injure it, to damage it too much or pull it apart. So once you've done that, you're going to chop it any which way you can. When you are keeping them in the fridge, you're going to keep them in a brown paper bag, or if they've already come in packaging, leave them in the packaging. They stay well in your fridge, and it is perfect. So I've got these. Just see, it's so nice in here. Everything's just sauteed a tiny bit, and I'm just going to throw in fresh Ontario spinach. Of course, these recipes and more you can find at foodlandontario.ca, and it's such a fantastic site as it tells you what's in season, how to buy and store it. So for example, spinach is not one of those ones that can stay in the fridge for a long period of time. So when you are going to the grocery store, just buy as much as you need for your recipes. And of course, if it's getting, if you can't use it all at once, you can freeze it, or you can throw it into shakes. Again, another versatile vegetable in your thing. So we're gonna wait for that to wilt a tiny bit. And what we're gonna do is prep our rainbow trout. So I've just got some Dijon mustard. I pat dry the rainbow trout. I put it on a little bit of tin foil. And again, like I said, the oven's on at 450. I'm just going to put this here and brush them both. This serves up to 4. I'm just making 2 right now. So this stuffing is going to do it. We're going to turn off the oven, and sorry, not the oven, the stove top, and see this nice melted part. Everything is lovely, and you're just going to scoop a little bit, about a tablespoon or not, on top, and you're just going to pat it dry. This is going to be on all of them. I'll just do one for there and just put it down, because this is going to go in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until the fish is opaque and you can flake it apart. It'll be cooked. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the prosciutto. It's so lovely. And then 1 added part. Of course, you can add more or less, however you want. I'm always a little bit the more. And then the last part, I'm going to put a tablespoon of fresh Ontario Parmesan. You bake it in the oven, and ta-da, you have your rainbow trout with prosciutto, mushroom, and spinach. Enjoy.